everyone, Amy here. I'm back to share some tips on how I get all of my housework chores done. Recently, I shared my morning routine video with you all, and then I wanted to add another little tidbit to that. So I'm going to share a link down below called Apartment Therapy. And years ago, I came across an article that said how to clean your house in 20 minutes a day for 30 days. And it just lists off different areas in your home to touch on. And that was when my kids were little. And since then, I've used it and perfected it and made it my own. And I just thought I would share this for others because sometimes we need inspiration and ideas on how to organize our lives and get the motivation to get this part of our life taken care of, because we all love our homes. So I don't have a great big house. If you have like a 2-story or a 3-story big home, you might have to read up in some of these articles and find ideas that work for you. But a little bit about it is I decided to grab a calendar and write in the list of chores from this article, how to clean your house in 20 minutes a day for 30 days. And every day I go to that calendar and I see what chore there is, and I set my timer for 20 minutes and I just get in and do it and be done. When the kids were little, I would come home from work and just do it really quick. But you can tack it onto your morning routine. You can tack it into the evening. Sometimes a few days go by and I haven't done any of these, but then I'll just make a cup of tea, turn on some tunes, and just get in and mark those chores off my list. And I have found over the years that by doing it this way, all the areas of our home, it really only takes me about 15 minutes a day at this point, because when you're touching on all of your home regularly, it stays pretty tidy for the most part. And so what I like about this system is it has you 20 minutes focus on the bedrooms where you're going through and you're tidying, picking up stray items and dusting and maybe vacuuming. And then the next day, you're focusing 20 minutes on the kitchen and living room areas, your main areas you're walking through and you're tidying those up. Then it will move you to the bathrooms for 20 minutes. You're washing out the sinks. You're putting in fresh toilet paper. But it also gives the opportunity on different days to clean out all the closets in your house. It allows you 20 minutes one of the days to scrub kitchen appliances and sort of deep clean in that space for 20 minutes. And then it also even gives a day where you're cleaning out your car, because they are our home away from home. And then, during it all, it kind of goes back to the bedrooms and rotating, and it touches on deep cleans for the bedrooms once a month. And it just really works. So other than that, that's it. It's really simple. So I just thought I would share that little bit of information for you all. And today it's very cold here where I live. It got very cold and the wind is blowing and the allergies are strong. So I have been baking breads and I'm going to go get back to that. So I hope that you find this helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any advice for others as well. So everybody, take care out there and stay well. I will see you soon in my next evening video. Take care.